The ASUS Z590M Plus motherboard is built to unlock the full potential of 11th Gen Intel Core processors, delivering reliable performance without overspending. If you're upgrading from an older system, this board offers the perfect balance between advanced features and affordability. At its core, the Z590M Plus boasts an Intel LGA 1200 socket designed specifically for the latest Intel CPUs. This ensures you get the most out of your processor with stable power delivery, thanks to 10 DrMOS power stages, a ProCool connector, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors. These components work together to keep your system steady, even during demanding tasks. Cooling is another standout feature. The motherboard includes VRM and PCH heatsinks, hybrid fan headers, and ASUS's Fan Xpert 4 utility to manage temperatures efficiently. This means your build stays cool and quiet, whether you're gaming or multitasking heavily. Memory performance also gets a boost with ASUS Optimum 2 technology. This proprietary trace layout allows your RAM to run at higher speeds using lower voltages, which translates to smoother multitasking and faster load times. It's a subtle upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in everyday use. Connectivity options are comprehensive and future-ready. You get 3 2 slots for ultra-fast storage, 1 gigabit Ethernet for stable wired networking, and 2 E-key slot for wireless modules, USB 3. 2 Gen 2 Type-C, and Thunderbolt 4 support. These features keep your system flexible and ready for expansion. One satisfied user shared their experience upgrading an older Dell Optiplex with this motherboard. They praised its sturdy build, user-friendly BIOS, and value for money. This board hits the sweet spot for casual builders and hobby gamers who want recent tech without unnecessary extras. ASUS's reputation for quality and support adds peace of mind. While this user didn't need tech help for this board, past experiences with ASUS support have been positive, indicating reliability that lasts over years of use. If you're looking for a capable, budget-friendly motherboard that supports the latest Intel processors and modern features like M.2 drives and Thunderbolt 4, the ASUS Z590M Plus is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your system with confidence.